Want this? Open Alight Motion and follow me. Take 2 rectangle. Put it in center. Now click here and put this dot in center. Now follow me.
Every time I break, there's just more pain to burn. They'll never, never, never learn.
Here, your rotation zoom out shake completed. Now let's make zoom in. Here you both zoom in, zoom out rotation shakes completed. Hope now you learn how to make this trending rotation zoom shakes XML will upload on my Telegram channel once this video reach 300 likes. See you in the next one.